Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can see your blocked list on the Snapchats. So in this video I will show you how you can see your blocked list on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon at top left corner. Click on it, and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it, and then scroll down the page and you will see blocked user options. Click on it, and those contacts which you have blocked, here are those contacts. So in this way you can see your block list on the Snapchat. If you unblock this person, then click on class person. If you unblock any person, then click on cross options. So click on yes to confirm or you want to unblock. So when I will click on yes, this user will be unblocked. So in this way you can unblock any Snapchatter on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.